Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start immediately by opening an elevated command prompt. This is required to read firmware and licensing info. Once done, pause and confirm you're signed in with an administrator account because standard accounts can't query licensing. Make sure Windows 11 is the active OS so commands target the current system. Also close non-essential apps to avoid accidental reboots. This step reduces interruptions while you query system data. Now you're ready to run the first command. Now you'll run the main command. In the administrator command, prompt type wmic path software licensing service, get away 3x original product key and press enter. This reads the OEM product key embedded in BIOS or UEFI firmware. It's quick and non-invasive. If you see a key string, that's the original product key for this hardware. If the output is blank, make sure you used an elevated prompt and then proceed to alternative checks because many modern installs use a digital license tied to your Microsoft. With the key visible, select and copy it, then paste into Notepad and save a text file in a secure location. This preserves the key for reinstallation. Once saved, open Settings, go to Activation and make sure Windows shows as activated and note whether it lists a digital license. If the wmic output was blank, don't panic. Try the PowerShell retrieval or verify your Microsoft account's digital license online. If problems persist, contact your device maker for an OEM key or Microsoft support for license help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.